Good evening, miners, friends, and community members. So, I was meaning to do this a while ago, and I finally got to it, and I'm very happy. This is what they call, looks like a standard command line. It's not a standard command line. This is WSL, or a Windows Linux subsystem, or Linux subsystem Linux, right? And this is a Ubuntu command line. Okay, so who am I? Right, it's going to tell me I'm PuckU812, the same thing as you would see anywhere else. LS, there's nothing in here. So if I change this to this and I go, right, just show you, it should just go straight, yeah, whatever, dot. Right, it's not doing it, whatever. There we go, LS. You can see there's just the Solana there, right? And if I do CD Sol, and then it'll go back to Sol, okay? So what some of the last things I did before I even set this up was that not who am I clear, right? Minus V, it'll tell you, give you a bunch of crap in here. Just type in Solana, it'll give you the same thing, right? A lot of the stuff here, you can create nonces, stake accounts, deactivate stake account, all this kind of stuff that you can do with Solana. Now, this is also used in creating a Solana token if you wish, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to create a Solana token. Everybody's like, what do you mean you're creating a Solana token? I am going to create a Solana wallet, okay? Now, in order to do this, you have to install Rust and the Solana CLI. So what you could do, if you wanted to do that, is you could go to Solana.com, and there's a whole thing in there on how to do this and how to set it up. As far as that is concerned, installing the dependencies and stuff, okay? I will show you very quickly what I'm talking about since I drag this over here. You could easily go to this website and it will install the dependencies. It'll tell you for WSL, right? Windows Subsystem for Linux. You can do right here, you're going to have to install Rust and so on, so on, and so on, right? No big deal. It'll even tell you how to Solana do the Solana wallet. So I'll leave this so you guys can do that, okay? And you can run a validator if you want to run a local validator. I'm not going to. What I am going to do is I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. Sorry. And I'm going to clear the screen so we have a fresh screen. What I'm going to do is start off by creating a Solana keygen. Okay? I'm not typing this. I'm literally copying and pasting it. And then, of course, it's going to want to know, a passphrase. You don't need anything. Just leave it empty for none, like it says. All right. And there I have a public key. What I'm going to do, so that I have my public key later on, is I'm going to go into Notepad++. Okay? You just see me just drop it, run it up there. I don't care about any of this. This is irrelevant right now. Okay? Lots of code, lots of code, lots of code. So I'm going to call this keygen, or public key, right? I'm going to call it pub key, and we're not going to do it there. I'm just going to throw this on my desktop in like documents or something, right? We'll call this pub key, right? I'm going to save it. So the first thing that I got here when I grab this is my public key. I want this public key. I want to copy it so that I have it instead of having to type it out. I copy it there. I should be able to paste it here so I have it for later. We're going to need that, right? Going back into the actual Solana where we're at, that's your public key, right? You're going to need it. So when you go back in here, right, and you want to go generate a key pair, for added security, you should see, everything that you have. Here's your key phrase, right? Your seed phrase, right? This is your seed phrase. These are your numbers, your letters, or whatever. I will generate a new wallet after this is done because obviously, That's where we're at. These are everything you need for this. I'm going to throw this in here, and we're just going to make a new address after that. Okay? Because this is your key phrase. How do you literally save this seed phrase, right? Be at P39, passphrase to recover your new key pair, right? See? Escape, regret, it gives you all those. So after this is done, you can do exactly this. This is about content for how to make a Solana wallet. You should see that phrase and it should tell you what it is, right? So the next thing you want to do, now that you've done this already, Solana address. There's your Solana address. So I can actually send and receive Solana or anything here, okay, in this wallet. That I have literally created a Solana wallet, a CLI wallet. I'm going to grab this here, and I'm going to do that, okay? And I'm going to put it in here just because that's what I want to do. Now, I'll save this as an example, and I'm going to copy and paste this into anything. So if you wanted to try and snatch it or whatever later on, go ahead. You can actually import this, right? It's being stupid, as you can see. Go figure. You can actually import this and use this if your wallet, if you really want to. It'll say Solana airdrop 2 if you want to do DevNets, request an airdrop, right? Let's try, see what happens. I don't think we're going to get anything. Requesting airdrop. There's nothing in there. So there's no airdrop to get. I would have to actually send Solana in there to try and get it. Get an airdrop of whatever may be out there. And this next one will allow me to check the balance. And as you can see, it's 0 SOL in there. Okay? That pretty much does everything you need to do, right? The Solana airdrop, it says here, the info Solana airdrop command is currently limited to 5 SOL per DevNet, per request in DevNet. Errors like this are likely to limits. Alternatively, you can get DevNet SOL, right, and go from there. So now, maybe I send something over here, okay? For example, we'll go back here. I'm gonna just go in here and do it this way. I'll send some here. Just I've got a little bit maybe laying around somewhere. As you can see, the public key and the address are the same when I highlight this, right? So you've literally created a Solana address. You literally done everything you need to do as far as doing this and getting it done. I'm gonna send some Solana over here just to show you that this works. And if somebody snatches a little bit of it, I'm not gonna worry about it. Seriously, I know how to easily send it out. I'm not gonna go crazy and go too crazy about this and do this stuff, but literally it is next to nothing to do any of this. We're not going to shake it from there. That's not fair. So yeah, we got something here. I will send some Solana from here to there, and we'll make it let's see here, 0.002 is required. Well, what the hell just happened here? Max is this. Okay. We'll make this as 0. And then we'll make these stay here. Oh, really? It's being special. Go figure. Alright. I will hit next in here from my Phantom wallet, and I will send it over here. As you can see. This address. As a matter of fact, anybody that wants to go and try and grab this, they can. I don't care. Go snatch it. Have fun. Now when I go in here, and I go back, and I hit Solana balance here again, I should have some SOL here. As you can see, it hasn't done anything yet. So we'll do it again. It still says 0. Well, whatever. Try the airdrop anyways. You don't have enough SOL in this account. So, it says there's 0 Solana in there still. I will go out and check on SolScan, we will grab this bad boy over here and see, make sure that it's there. Maybe it did not do what I wanted it to do. But that public key is your Solana address. So, right there, 40 cents worth of Solana. So it says 0 Solana, right? So there's 40 cents worth of Solana in this. That's all. And I've confirmed that right there. That Solana balance again should say 0 still or something. Maybe. I don't know. It still says 0 Sol, which is not true because we just confirmed that it is right here. Right there. Bam. 1 minute ago it says. And there's Solana sitting there. So if I want to export this to anywhere, you can just easily do that. If I want to send it out, right, then I can go up and literally go, oh, what do I do, right? How do I send this? Solana, right? Oh, my fingers are fat fingering it. Sure, why not? Is this thing being stupid again? Go figure. Maybe it is. I don't know. ANA. Hey, I think did my battery die in this? Oh, no, I see what happened. Yeah. See, it did something dumb as always. Okay. So, completion config, address, lookup table, airdrop, right? Table address, see, anything, balance. That's it. Block height, catch up, config, confirm. Confirm by signature. You can do all this stuff here. Solana transfer funds between accounts. For instance, we'll go back and I'll see what I can do. Just testing it out, why not? And I'll go back and get this. And I'll hit receive. If it works out, it works out. It's been a while since I've done this. Just saying. So we'll go in here and type. Let's see where to go. I want to make sure I'm right instead of wrong. I'm not just making this up. And I don't need to look like a professional. Because it's been a long time since we literally did this. Transfer, was it? Yeah, transfer. Between system accounts. Okay. Withdraw from non-stake account, right? All this stuff. Validators, verify off-chain signature. So we'll go Solana... No, we'll do it that way. And then we'll try and paste this in here. Why not? Send, receive, amount. Look. See, recipient's address, right? Okay. And then we have the 002 or whatever it was up top. I'm going to go back here and grab it. It's a whole 40 cents. I'm not going to sweat that. Transfer, and let me go down here to the bottom. Give you an idea where it's going. Hang on a second. I want to go back here to the command line here. Oh, there's my 0. And then it should send it to, see? Recipient's address is not funded, right? Allow recipient unfunded, right? To complete the transfer. So, according to this, it doesn't exist, but this is how you set up a Solana CLI wallet. Just saying. So, if you guys want to try and import the key, by all means, go ahead and import the key. I am going to start a new wallet, though, because I do not wish to do this. Keygen, right? Refusing to overwrite, right? -- force, and then flag. See? I won't let you do that. Well, there's options, of course, but if you wanted to do that, just go question mark, and then, or you can use it like it says. Lots of different stuff you can do. Hang on a second. And we'll tab it up. Options. Tab. What are my options? Which wasn't expected. So, it kind of gives you an idea what you can and can't do. Found argument options. found as a keygen, right? Or you can go like this, like it says, dash help, not jelp, HELP, and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Overwrite, force overwrite -F, right? Overwrite if file exists, right? Out path, you can see all that. Just saying, guys. Anyways, have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. This has been fun. I will get back to my normal work and my normal stuff that I like to do. And I will get this stupid thing out of my way. What is this? Hang on a second. I don't care. Anyway. Firefox? I don't need Firefox. Why is it doing that? Ah, there it goes. So it decided to show something it didn't need to show. Normal, right? Well, take care. That's how you make a Solana wallet. And you can see that specify values and all that stuff. Good luck. Oh.